And so what we're looking at right now, it's a practical demonstration of all we've been talking about in the previous slides. And here I have an application that I have previously connected to a query and to a data source, because I am recording live, and doing all that on the fly will take a considerable amount of time. On the right, my right, probably your left, we have the properties of the application. And all that is left now is to make this application available online. Now, in order to do that, we actually have two options. We can actually look at this application execute locally within the local browser by clicking the first option under browse, which is execute locally. And this is what we would have. This is exactly what we would see if we're using a mobile device. And so we'll go ahead and demonstrate how we actually obtain a QR code. It's absolutely very simple. Now, clicking down the same menu icon, we have send to mobile device using QR codes. Now, what this does is it gives us the option of a QR code, and if you're very familiar with this, all it means is we can scan this picture with a QR reader, and then we directly send to the particular site where we can view this application, view and use this application. Alternatively, we could actually print this, send it electronically, and anyone who has a view of this can use their QR reader and actually do same. Now, in this simulation, we'll simply copy the URL to the clipboard, and then when we open up a new browser and put the information, the URL in the address bar, we immediately have the application. Now we can make believe that this is actually a portable device which has a QR code. Now, what this demonstrates is, for instance, if a decision maker, management is having a meeting and they need to make key decisions, they have at their fingertips all the information that has been customized for them by some analyst many miles away. Now, to demonstrate this, we could, for instance, look at this view and filter out information here. I'm just doing this randomly, and what I'd like to demonstrate is when I click apply, we will see that our chart immediately updates. Now we are no longer looking at boring tables of numbers and text, but we can actually look at our information graphically, and this is just an example of what we can do with this application.